Have you ever wondered what happens when you crack your knuckles? Inside your joints is a fluid that helps your bones move smoothly. When you stretch your fingers, pressure inside the joint suddenly changes. This causes tiny gas bubbles in the joint fluid to form and collapse. That sudden change creates the popping sound you hear. After the crack, the pressure inside the joint resets. That's why you can't crack the same knuckle again right away. Like, comment, and subscribe for more body science facts.